Alright, so today we're going to learn section 4.7, how to use a BCA table to determine theoretical and percent yield. So we're given the balanced equation, 2Cu3 FeS3 plus 7O2 goes to 6Cu plus 2FeO plus 6O2. So the question is, if 2.50 moles of bromite, which is this compound right here, is reacted with excess oxygen, and there's an 86.3% yield of copper, what mass of copper is produced? So we set up the BCA table again, 2.50 excess oxygen. So this is obviously the limiting reactant. You use the coefficients in front of the balance equation to find the other moles of the compound. So 2.50 divided by 2 times 6, 7.50 moles of copper, which is the only moles we really need for this question. So then we set up a proportion. 1 mole of 63.55 grams of copper is equal to 7.50 moles of copper over X. And we get 477 grams of copper, which is the theoretical yield. So that's the amount. If everything went as planned, then we would get 477 grams of copper. So then now we have to figure out the actual yield that we actually got, and that's pretty easy. So we just do the theoretical number, which is 477, times the percent yield, which is 86.3, so times 0.863 equals 412 grams that we actually produce. And then we can check that by just setting up an equation, this is the equation to determine the percent yield, actual yield over theoretical yield, 412 over, which is the actual yield, over 477, which is the theoretical yield, and we get 86.3%, which is what we had in the question above. So yeah, that's the correct answer.